Hey, what's up, Bob Mortgage Nation? This is the 20th episode of the Bob Mortgage Zone. So what are we talking about in the zone today? We're talking Zillow and their latest press release. That's right, last week, Zillow released a news report saying in most major housing markets, we've been seeing price cuts. All right, so that got a lot of conversations started here and a lot of questions coming in to Team Bob Mortgage, and I wanted to address it right here, right now in this week's Bob Mortgage Zone. So yes, we are experiencing some price changes and decreases across the U.S. in most major areas, okay, most major metro areas, with the biggest increases or price adjustments happening out there on the West Coast. Now, overall, about 14% of all listings are seeing some price cuts right now. But look, what it doesn't mean for the housing market and real estate, it does not mean home prices are depreciating. Okay, it does not mean that at all. Now, what we've seen over the last couple of years, we've been in a fast-paced real estate market. What we've seen in the last couple of years is a buyer that is entering into a market and a seller that knows their home, let's say, is worth $300,000. Well, what they do is they price it at $325,000, hoping, because of lack of inventory, hoping that these buyers are going to come in that have cash and that will pay $325,000 for the home. But as a lender, we're only going to lend what it's appraised for. So we can only lend that $300,000. The buyer's going to be making that $25,000 delta. They're making that up in form of a cash payment. Okay, we're not starting to see that right now. Matter of fact, we're starting to see the sellers reducing the price from that $325,000 to $300,000. That is not depreciation. That's just a seller realigning with what the market's telling them and pricing it at $300,000. Now, what this does mean for real estate is it does mean that sellers need to be more realistic about how they're going to be pricing their homes. We're not in that fast-paced market anymore, especially in that higher-end market. So they're going to have to be really good listening to the real estate agents, looking at the comparables. And if the agent says, look, the house is priced at $300,000, that's what the value is, more than likely, if you're going to be going above that $320,000 or $300,000 mark or $325,000, you're going to be discounting it, or the house is going to be sitting on the market for a very long time. So look, bottom line, homes right now are not depreciating, okay? We've been in that fast-paced market, so we're just readjusting to a more normal market. We're going to still see a very natural appreciation. Matter of fact, we're experiencing some really nice appreciation trends over the next 12 months. So if you have any questions about any of this, my number is going to pop up, my website's going to pop up. You guys give me a phone call. I'll get you in touch with a real estate agent that can talk specifics with you as to your market. If you're a buyer out there, get with me. Let's talk about numbers and what's real out there. I'll get you with an agent that can really make sure that you're paying the right price for that home in today's market. Other than that, you guys have an awesome weekend. Take care.